And welcome back to CanvaBestie. Today we're going to show you how to number all your pages in Canva, just like this in under 2 minutes. Let's jump in. If you don't want to manually number all your pages, you can use the new feature that Canva Pro offers, and that is located under your text menu here on the left, and then you're going to want to select page numbers under dynamic text here. So go ahead and select that. When you select that and it brings up this menu, it automatically numbers your pages. But as you can tell, the numbers aren't in the spots that I want them to be in. So let's fix that. Now let's change the style and the layout of our page number. So to do that, you want to make sure you're on your first page. So I have my cover page and then my first coloring page. And I want to put the number where I want it to be on every single page. So I'm going to drag it and make it smaller. I'm also going to bold it, and I'm going to change the font by clicking the font here. And there, like that. So once you're happy with the way your page number looks on your first page, you want to replicate the style to all your other pages. And to do that, it's really easy. So we're going to go back into the Pages menu. If you ever find that you lost your Pages menu, it's really easy to get back into. So you just want to go over to Text again and go into Page Numbers, and that will bring up the Page Numbers menu again. Now from the Page Numbers menu, you can change the format, so you can do numbers only, so just the number, or page plus number, so page 2, or you can do page X of Y, so page 2 of 20, page 3 of 20, and so on. So we're just going to go back to just the number. I'm going to center it again. There is show numbers on. So this is just where your numbers are going to show. So obviously if you have a cover page like my coloring book here, I don't want my page numbers to show there. So I'm going to uncheck it, and I'm going to leave every page checked that I want my numbers to show up on. So all the rest of my coloring pages. Then when you're done and happy with how your page numbers look, you're going to want to select Done and select Apply Properties to all pages. That is going to change all your page numbers to look the exact same across your whole design in the exact same spot. There you have it, and that is how you add page numbers to Canva in under 2 minutes. I hope that I helped speed up your design process. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post Canva tutorials daily. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.